Welcome to our video on how to monetize your Plotagon creation and turn them into profits. If you are passionate about creating animated videos using Plotagon, why not earn money from it? In this video, we will guide you through the different ways to monetize your Plotagon videos and make most out of your creativity. So let's dive in. Welcome to Femtech Animation Studio. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly hit on the subscribe button and like my video. And if you're a return viewer, please kindly give me a thumbs up and also share this video if you find this video helpful. Alright, so the major reason why I created this video was a request from a subscriber of mine. Okay, now our question was, Femtech, why did you constantly upload Plotagon videos when you can't make money from it? I was shocked when I received that message on the group, and I told her that your Plotagon videos can be monetized, but she said what she has had before was creating videos with Plotagon you can be monetized on YouTube. And I told her that yes, you can be monetized, and that will be the next video I will upload. Okay, so I believe that video is not only for us, for everyone that wants to actually generate income from his or her Plotagon creation. Okay, so let's dig into it. Alright guys, now I've opened up my Plotagon studio. You can also do the same on your Plotagon story. Okay, so once you follow my step, then you would have a video that could be monetized. Okay, means you can make money from it. So I'm making use of studio on the PC. You can also use your mobile device Plotagon story, all the same. Okay, so I'll just bring out a click on a created scene. Now there are a lot of mistakes Plotagon users usually do. Okay, I'll call it a mistakes in a sense that when you are uploading your videos on YouTube or Vimeo, okay, the main purpose is you want your channel to be monetized so you can continue to earn from YouTube, right? And if that is the case, you need to stop this. That is, once you create your scene and you select your character, you should not use the Plotagon voice. Okay, because YouTube see it as a reused content. So for that reason, please do not use the Plotagon the Plotagon inbuilt voices. Okay, and for that reason, Plotagon actually created the import voice. Okay, that is this speaker you see here. You also have that on your Plotagon story. Just locate it. That's once you select the character you want to use, then you click on this record voice. So you can either import your voice file. Okay, so the required voice file you can use of this, that is, you can input with AIF and the rest. Okay, MP3, MA4, just like that. Okay, then it will synchronize it. So what I prefer, probably if you have an audio mixer, you can use your own voice and upload it. Okay, then once your YouTube channel is has reached the right mark, okay, then you would be monetized. Okay, and okay, so your question might be, how do you get this voice? If you don't use your voice, how can you create that voice? Okay, yeah, no problem, I got your back. Okay, So for that reason, what you need to do is, for those who are making use of the phone, okay, all you need to do is log in on your Play Store and search for this application, Audio Lab. Okay, Audio Lab. So once you download it and install it, I think it is free. It is free. I've used it before and I use it a lot. Okay, it is free. Though once you want to have some pro content, then you need to purchase it. But I tell you, majority of those things you need to get going are totally free. All right. So for desktop users, I also have a text-to-speech software for you as well. Now, once you all you need to do, I will leave a link to those text-to-speech softwares, okay, for you. They are free, as you can see. Okay, it's free for you to use. So these are the top free text-to-speech software you can actually try and see if it suits your taste. Okay, so once you are done, then all you need to do is to come in and import your voice file into it. Then you render it and upload it the normal way you upload your other videos, and I tell you, you will surely get your videos to be monetized. All right guys, so that does it. So okay, so let me recap. In summary to all what we've said, your Plotagon creation could only be monetized if you use an external audio files. Do not use the inbuilt Plotagon voice file if you want your Plotagon videos to be monetized. Alright guys, so if you find this video helpful, please kindly click on the subscribe button, like my video, and also please share this video to your friends, family and loved ones. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Please, if you have any other question, kindly leave your question in the comment section below and I'll try my possible best to create a video if necessary on that aspect. Thank you so much. I remain your one and only Mr. Femtech. Bye for now. One love. Sign out.